We used the term during one of our sessions that she was a healer. And her healing was as a mental and a money healer. You don't realize that maybe you have some mental blocks or money blocks. And she takes the time to actually show you how to bring it out and kind of talk about it, get you past it.
The way she approaches things, I have a genuine sense that she really cares about what she's doing, how she's doing it. When you ask a question, you don't get a canned response. It's really money well spent. And I'm very happy I went through the exercise. And if I had the opportunity to do it again, I would.
The one big thing that I have learned going through coaching with her is that is the money mind and the mindset changes that we're going through right now. I can't tell you how mind-blowing it has been and how it has just opened up the abundance flow of the growth in our business, in our personal life, and also with our family. We've had some major breakthroughs, and it's just
It's just been very empowering, mind-shifting to greater and bigger and better things for us and our family and our business.
So it was a no-brainer to have Dr. Amanda come into the group, and I'm super excited that we did, because there's a direct correlation between the real estate investors in our group that are doing deals, that are completing deals on a consistent basis, than those who are not. And I can tell you that Dr. Amanda is one of the major factors when it comes to that.
She really helped me with thinking like an entrepreneur, a business owner. What does a business owner think about on a daily basis? And my habits. What were my habits? And that was a huge thing for me. Is having a business mindset and creating habits that were geared towards my success. I'm a better husband now. I'm a better father. I'm a better friend, just based on all of the mindset shifts that have occurred in the last 12 weeks.
It was a point of our life where we felt good about our business, but we were missing something. And this was literally the key puzzle piece we needed to be able to blow our business out of the water and feel incredibly confident about whatever comes ahead of us, that we can be able to take anything on because we know we can. And now we've been able to, focus on these things that are the most important for us to be able to project our business.
I've been super appreciative to learn, these really valuable, insights. Getting on the same page in terms of our values has not only helped us in a tremendous way professionally, but also in our personal relationship, which was sort of an unexpected, eye-opening change for us. And it's been awesome since then. So I think we are now both coming from positions where we understand each other better, which of course that's in our personal relationship, but then also it just spills over into our professional relationship.
The amount of success we've seen and have realized within the 12 weeks has been incredible. It's been truly transformational. Not just from a business standpoint, but certainly from a personal standpoint. And it's brought us closer together as a husband and wife and a family.
Amanda's worth every penny. She'll be your biggest cheerleader. She will coach you every step of the way. And you're going to walk away from every session on cloud 9, ready to tackle anything that comes your way.
I feel absolutely blessed that Amanda has come into my life, and she's there for me when I need her. And it's like having Jiminy Cricket in my pocket telling me right from wrong.
Dr. Amanda was amazing in coaching me over the last 12 weeks and being able to overcome, being able to utilize and change my mindset on my approach with money. And it's been a life-changing experience for me. I've developed new habits that have helped me become more productive, more confident in my job, and to be able to achieve the goals that I have in mind for myself and for my family.
One of the things that I found most valuable was just having a kind of the ultimate checklist of things you need to be doing each morning throughout your day. And even at the end of the day, and then spreading into your week and monthly and quarterly, things that you need to be working on and focused on in order to grow your business. We're worth the price of the coaching. Knowing that I have that framework to go forward, is not only a huge relief, but it's a huge confidence builder, knowing that I have the tools.
I can't see myself ever not working with Dr. Amanda. She started off as my coach, and now she's my friend. She cares, she genuinely cares whether or not I'm successful, and I can feel that every single time I talk to her. It's very nice and it's very reassuring to know that I have somebody in my corner whenever I need them, and I just feel very fortunate and blessed and lucky to have gone through her programs.
It's just been an eye-opener, overcome all the fears, any doubts, and limiting beliefs. I'm a much better, stronger, more confident person than I am now than what I was since day one.